In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Klaviyo and work with templates effectively. Whether you're new to Klaviyo or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process of accessing your templates and integrating important elements like HTML to enhance your overall email marketing campaigns. First off, you'll want to head over to Klaviyo's website. If you don't have an account set up yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, simply log in with your credentials and you'll be taken to your main dashboard. This is your starting point. From here, you can access all sorts of features and tools that Klaviyo offers, but today we're especially interested in templates. Templates in Klaviyo are an excellent way to maintain consistency across your email campaigns and make sure messaging aligns with your brand's identity. Now, how do we get to those templates? It's quite straightforward. Once you're logged into your account, look for the Campaigns section in the navigation bar. Click on it and you should see an option for templates. Select that and you're in. This area houses all the templates you currently have and allows you to create new ones as needed. Say you want to tweak one of those templates or start a new one from scratch. Open up the desired template and let's focus on adding some HTML to it. HTML allows you to customize your emails further, incorporating elements that are not available through the standard template options. To do this, find the HTML button, a feature Klaviyo provides to enhance your templates with ease. Just drag this into your working space and voila! You now have a section where you can put your custom code. Adding HTML is a powerful way to include dynamic content, adjust layouts precisely, or insert special features that improve user engagement. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can significantly boost the effectiveness of your emails. Keep in mind that while adding HTML can offer more flexibility, it's important to have at least a basic understanding of code to avoid any errors that might disrupt the way your email is displayed. It can help to prepare your HTML edits outside of Klaviyo in an HTML editor that provides preview capabilities, ensuring everything works seamlessly before going live. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage and enhance your templates within Klaviyo. By mastering the template and HTML functions, you're well equipped to create more personalized, professional, and effective email campaigns. If you ever run into issues or want to explore more features, Klaviyo support resources are a great place to expand your know-how. Thanks for joining me today and happy marketing.